Hello everyone. In this video we are making a skin vitiligo cover up. So the process is happening now. We are making a patch test on this particular place. On the above skin place you might have seen we have done the treatment already and it's got success. So we are making the remaining places also to be get covered. So it's quite a small place and we are making a great progress in it. So it's covering up almost on the brownish areas. As you can see, the process is going very smooth. It's matching up with the exact skin tone and it's coming really nice. This process is happening in a much more faster way. We are trying to match it up with the exact skin tone. So many of them asking this, will there be any infection with this treatment? There's zero side effects on the infection. We are using a vegan ink, so you don't need to worry about the side effects or the infections. It will be completely safe to go ahead. As you all know, this process is taking. Patch test will take anywhere between 20 minutes to 25 minutes, not more than that, so you don't need to worry about the pain wise or the time duration wise. And we are getting a clients from all over the world, but we recommend all our clients to be book an appointment and then please visit us. In that way we can help you out in a much more better way. We can provide a proper service and your waiting time also will be much more less. So please book an appointment before visit us. The patch test is almost going to get over. I'm just making a little more darker on the proportion so that once got healed it will look much more greater. See this, so the down part I made it a little more darker, but once got healed it will match exact.